Hello everyone, I'm Shivani. So today we are going to discuss topic about creating a flowchart in visual paradigm. So let's see how to draw a flowchart in visual paradigm. So we will use a very simple example. Let's start. So first we have to just this in this app we have to select diagram. From that you have to select new from the main menu, and then the second point is it will be in this way. The new window will be open, new diagram window, as you can see here. So in this way new diagram window will be open, and here we have to select flowchart because now we are discussing about flowchart. So we have to click on flowchart and next. Next, you can start from the empty diagram, as now we are starting from empty diagram. So you can start from empty diagram. Or else you can also use this flowchart template also, as you can see here, flowchart template. You can use this flowchart templates, or you can use this. So just so let's start from the blank. In blank it will be empty, but in this flowchart templates it will be like you have to edit, download and edit. But in the blank you can directly go with the blank diagram and select the blank and click next. And now we have to enter the name of the flowchart. So after it we have to enter something, name of the flowchart, and click OK. Now let's start creating a start symbol. First we have to start from start symbol. So at the right side we have many flowchart symbols like shapes we have. So take one shape. First shape is start is terminator shape. So we have to take that shape, and from the toolbar, this is the toolbar towards left side. So drag it and drop it on the diagram, and so its name starts with the start. Next, now here we have to create the shape, like uh, to the next one, like move your mouse pointer over the start shape. From start shape we have to move the mouse, and we have to take a triangular handler on the right. By clicking right side of your mouse, we will get in this way. So we can just drag it, and after that when you will click and release the right click of your mouse, then we will get different shapes. So just select the flow line, which is we are taking first process. So we have to select process symbol from this resource. We will call it as a resource catalog. So from this resource catalog we will take process symbol. And next, now creating a simple flowchart, which we can take add items to cart, as the name of the process that I have taken. Now follow the same steps that we have created for first one, like go to the same steps that we have taken here. Just drag your mouse and all that same steps we have to take another process, another two process, and one we have to name that two as one is checkout shopping cart and another one is settle payment. Now the flowchart is over, then the last step is end point. So end point, same we have to take from resource catalog, take end symbol, that is terminator. So just click and OK. Then after that your diagram will be look in this way. After completing of your flowchart, it will be in this way. And here if you want to color your flowchart, and you can use that. So just go to the select diagram. In that you have to go to the format panel, from the main menu. Save it and go to the main menu, and from that we have to take format panel, and you can select the shape on the diagram. Click update its shape, update its color. So here we have style, text, arrange, and different colors we have. So from this we can take different colors, and at last your flowchart, final flowchart will be this way with different colors. Yeah. And end of the chapter 6. Thank you.